Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by duplicating the background so you preserve the original. Use a selection tool, quick selection, lasso, or pen to isolate the subject carefully. Refine the mask edges with feather or radius to avoid hard halos. Once done, apply a layer mask and hide or reveal with a soft brush to perfect transitions. Make sure to save a version with masks intact. This small discipline makes later color adjustments reversible and precise for consistent results. Next, focus on changing the color while preserving texture. Add a hue/saturation adjustment and target the hue range you isolated. Nudge hue and saturation gradually to avoid posterization. For precision, add curves or levels to correct luminance before shifting color, because color shifts read differently at different tones. Use selective color or color lookup for stylistic changes, and clip each adjustment to the mask layer so only the subject changes. Make small incremental changes and toggle visibility to compare. To finish, check how the new color integrates with the scene. Adjust mask edges with a low opacity brush and apply slight feather to blend. You want subtle transitions. Once the hue looks right, tweak color balance or add a warming/cooling photo filter to match ambient light, and recheck shadows and highlights with curves. If something goes wrong, revert to the duplicated layer or disable adjustments to isolate the issue. This quick rollback is the key troubleshooting step before final export.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.